Hi again and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll practice English vocabulary with fun exercises based on the story from the last video. You'll test your understanding of word meanings and check how well you remember the new words. If you haven't watched the story yet, now is a great time to watch it. It will help you enjoy this part even more. Let's begin. Test 1. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word graffiti mean? A. A place where cars are parked. B. A place where people buy things. C. Writing or drawings on walls in public places. The correct answer is C. Writing or drawings on walls in public places. Test 2. Choose the correct word. Which word means a container to put rubbish in? A. Bench. B. Trash bin. C. Street lamp. The correct answer is B. Trash bin. Test 3. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word helmet mean? A. A light on the street for visibility at night. B. Protective headgear worn by cyclists. C. A long seat for people to sit on outside. The correct answer is B. Protective headgear worn by cyclists. Test 4. Choose the correct word. Which word means a path for pedestrians along the street? A. Sidewalk. B. Building. C. Traffic light. The correct answer is A. Sidewalk. Test 5. Choose the correct meaning. What does the word cafe mean? A. A traffic sign that tells drivers to stop. B. A two-wheeled vehicle powered by pedaling. C. A small restaurant that serves coffee and snacks. The correct answer is C. A small restaurant that serves coffee and snacks. You're doing great. Don't stop now. Let's test your full understanding of the story. Test 1. Multiple choice. These questions have several answer options, but only one is correct. They will help you remember key details from the text. Question 1. What did Olivia notice near the sidewalk at the beginning of her walk? A. A fountain and a statue. B. A police officer and a stop sign. C. A trash bin and a bench. D. A bicycle shop. The correct answer is C. A trash bin and a bench. Question 2. What made Olivia feel hungry during her walk? A. The smell of fresh bread from a bakery. B. The smell of flowers in the park. C. The sight of people eating ice cream. D. The smell of fresh coffee from a cafe. The correct answer is D. The smell of fresh coffee from a cafe. Question 3. Which safety measure did Olivia notice while crossing the street? A. A green crosswalk light and a police officer helping. B. People running across the street. C. A cyclist without a helmet. D. Cars stopping at a red light only. The correct answer is A. A green crosswalk light and a police officer helping. Test 2. True or false? You need to decide whether a statement is true or false. This will help you check how well you understand the text. 1. Olivia saw colorful graffiti on the wall of an old building. True. 2. Olivia rode a bicycle during her walk. False. She only saw a young man riding a bicycle. Olivia was walking. 3. Olivia helped people cross the street like the police officer. False. She noticed the officer helping people, but she did not help. 4. The street Olivia walked on was narrow and dirty. False. The sidewalk was clean and wide. Test 3. Fill in the blanks. In these questions, you need to recall the correct word to complete the sentence. This will help you reinforce key vocabulary. 1. On the sidewalk near her house, Olivia saw a and a bench. The correct answer is trash bin. 2. The smell of fresh from the cafe made Olivia feel hungry. The correct answer is coffee. 3. Children were playing near a in the park. The correct answer is fountain. 4. Olivia noticed a of a famous person near the fountain. The correct answer is statue. Test 4. Open-ended. These questions encourage you to share your thoughts and personal experiences. This will help you practice your English and engage with the video. 1. What part of the walk made Olivia feel the city was creative? The correct answer is the colorful graffiti on the old building showed artistic expression. 2. Why did Olivia feel safe at the end of her walk? The correct answer is because she saw the police officer helping people and noticed how traffic rules were being followed. 3. Have you ever explored your city or neighborhood on foot like Olivia? What did you notice or enjoy? Share your experience in the comments. You did something great today, and I'm truly proud of you. Thank you so much for being here. If this lesson helped you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who also wants to learn English. See you in the next video.